Allchinabuy versus Superbuy. What is the best agent supplier? If you're looking for a reliable agent to buy from China, you've probably come across Allchinabuy and Superbuy. But which one is better? Let's compare them. First, Superbuy is one of the most well-known agent services, offering purchasing, quality inspection, and international shipping. It supports a wide range of Chinese platforms like Taobao, Tmall, and JD. However, its service fees and shipping costs can be high. On the other hand, Allchinabuy is a newer competitor. It claims to offer lower fees and competitive shipping rates, but customer reviews are mixed, with some users reporting long processing times and limited support. When it comes to trust and reliability, Superbuy has a stronger reputation and better customer service. But if you're looking for cheaper fees, Allchinabuy might be worth trying. Just proceed with caution. So which is better? If you want security and experience, go with Superbuy. But if you're willing to take a risk for lower costs, Allchinabuy could be an option. Let me know in the comments which one you choose. And thanks for watching.